Hello everyone, my name is Vinayak Ramchandra Pulati and my today's topic is data types. Let's see what is data types. Data types we can use to specify the value and the size of the variables. There are two types of data types. First is a primitive and second is a non-primitive data types. Let's see first primitive data types. Uh, primitive data types mean their data types predefined by Java, and there in that eight primitive data types like int, short, long, char, float, double, byte, and boolean, and their sizes are predefined. Uh, predefined uh, like byte is a one byte, short 2 byte, int 4 byte, float 4 byte, and double and long 8 byte, and character 2 byte, and boolean 1 bit. So and the default value of them integer, int, float, short and long, their default value is 0, and also float and double have default value 0, but that's data types we can use for the floating value, so their value is 0.0 default value, and character default value is false. uh, and let's see what is the range of data types. Let's see, byte range is a -127 to minus plus 126, and then short range is the um, -2 raised to 16 divided by 2 2 plus 2 raised to 16 divided by 2 minus 1, and integer have default value is -2 raised to 32 divided by 2, 2 plus 2 raised to 32 divided by 2 plus minus 1. That's every data types have the size, their range is predefined, and let's see non-primitive types. Non-primitive data types mean they are not defined by the Java. So Java, that's value, that's they are the defined by the user. Inside that you can say array, string, class, object. You can see that is a example of the non-primitive data types. Let's see example of the primitive data types like let's see first syntax. Like first is a data type's name, then a variable name, then what value you can assign to the value of variable. Like let's see example of integer data types. The syntax, let's data types define int, then variable name you can take anything like abc name, you can take anything, then you can value assigned to the variable, their type is a integer type. Like that float we can use for the floating point. Like let's see example of floating point. uh, like float data types name float, then variable name, then floating point like 1.1, 1.2, but you can see after that you can type f, because default value Java take double are also, but you can want to small value, then you can use float. There is a type f after the value assigning, so that is a going floating point. And character data types you can use to store character, like anything, like alphabets, names, you can take anything character, store for the character. And then what, boolean you can boolean take only true or false, come to some condition true or false, then we can use for the data types boolean. So thank you.